Hello everyone, welcome back to Thursday YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create a emoji catcher game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is what we will be creating in this video. And guys, don't forget to get the source code of this project. Link will be in the description. This is the welcome page guys to the game. And we have this start game button. When you start game, you have the time in the left, and when you click this, you have a how effect on the grid, and you have your score. When I click it, I get the score. Okay, I'm failing miserably, but the main point is making this app. So let's get started. Guys, now we are going to create the first basic set of codes here. We are going to press Shift Tab, and we are going to get link.css. Okay, and inside body we are going to create some div elements with a class of header, welcome page, and close it. Inside that we are going to create a h1 title, welcome to emoji. Okay, and we're going to have button is going to be start now. Okay, start now is going to be the button. So this is it for the welcome page. Now let's code our grid where we are going to play our game. So grid div class is going to be red. Okay, and grid is going to be inside a div class game page. Okay, we are going to remove this and we are going to paste it under this div tag. Okay, we are going to enter it. Now we are going to create span elements, or where it's better to use div class cells. So div class cell, we're going to create 8 by 8 or 4 by 4. So we're going to have 8 cells. Last one, and we're done. So we are going to give all the same class, so it's easy to code. Yeah, that means only one time we need to style with CSS. Now this is it for the HTML guys. Before that, we're going to link our script tag. So script, yeah, script is going to be script.js. That means our JavaScript. Now let's get started with our CSS. Now we are going to have exclamation at hash, margin is going to be 0 and padding is going to be 0. We're going to have a box sizing, it's going to be word box, and that's it here. And now we are going to code our div. That means div is going to be welcome page. dot welcome page. Okay, we're going to close it, enter. Display going to be flex, and flex direction is going to be column. We're going to have align items is going to be center. Justify content is going to be center as well. We're going to have a height of 100 viewport height, and that's it. And enter. Now we are going to code our h1. So h1 is going to have font size of 3 rem with color of white. Enter. With text align is going to be center. Margin bottom is going to be 2 rem, and that's it here. Now we are going to style our button. Button is going to have padding 1 rem by 2 rem, and we are going to have font size of 1.5 rem, and we are going to have border of none, and we are going to have border radius of 0.5 rem, and we're going to have background color of red, or you can call it maroon. Yep. And we are going to give a hover effect to the button. So button, hover, enter. It's going to have color of ash, and it's going to have a text is going to be black. When it's changed to this color, text is going to be black. And we are going to have a transition. It's going to be 0.5 seconds. It's going to be the transition. Now we are going to do the last bit of CSS here, which is the cell. So dot cell, enter. It's going to have a display of flex. Justify content is going to be center. It's going to have the align item center. Height is going to be 100 viewport height, and we're going to have a width of 100 viewport. We're going to have background color of F4. That means it's kind of a white, but it's not white. It's kind of similar to gray. And this is it for the CSS. Now let's get started with the JavaScript. So far guys, we have done HTML, CSS, and we are going to do our JavaScript. First we are going to create consist equal document of query selector consist. We're going to have consist, and we're going to have document. Okay, but we're going to change them. This is going to be, first is going to be emoji. Second is going to be a grid. And we are going to have start and restart. Document, document while dual, and we are going to have delete, and we're going to have dispatch event, enter. We're going to have let equal, enter. We're going to have let add event listener. We're going to have let remove event listener, and we're going to have add event listener and remove event listener. And we're going to copy this and paste it down, and we are going to have do while here. Conditions should be the same, and now a few more codes, then we are done. Okay, now guys, now a few more codes till we finish this project. I hope you guys are excited. Now we are going to have move emoji with time ID, start game button, and start screen. He's going to be hidden. Game screen, class list is going to be removed, hidden, and we're going to have move emoji, and we're going to close it. Okay, and we're going to have the restart game button as well as the start screen, game screen is going to be hidden, and the timer is going to be clear interval. Results of 0 and score context of result, and current time is going to be 60. That means you have 60 minutes the given time. Before it runs out, you have to finish it. Final score and close. So we are done functioning our game. Now let's see the final outcome of it. I hope you guys are excited. We right click, show preview, open it in browser. As you can see here guys, it shows our text, welcome to Emoji Catcher, and we have a button, start game. Now it looks the way we need and the way we styled, but whether it will function the way we functioned it. Let's see, start game, and as you can see it worked. You have the score, you have the time, and you have the grid with the column and the hover effect, and you can see the time is reducing and the emojis moving here and there. We'll see whether the score works. Okay, 1 2 3 4. As you can see, I'm demolishing this game. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget to get the source code. It's in the description. I will see you in the next. Peace.